RF3 can survive because only 10 years. Because Dato asked me personally when he asked me to come back, okay, boleh can you fly back from the morning? I said, Dato can. But I need to ask you one personal question face to face. He said, I only no problem. So he fly me back to Malaysia, and beside the office they have a restaurant that you all go and eat. The teacher beside the office, okay? I asked him, Dato, how long more RF3 can survive? Because I say I'm not good in binary. I'm not good, but I'm king of binary. Normally binary company only can survive at least, yeah, I guess the most. After that, they need to change the plan. They need to change all the things. But that goes from day one until today, they will change everything. How do you start? How long more are we can survive? Because they never change anything for 10 years, now 11 years. This something is crazy. I said, do you have something wrong? So he said to me, Jamil, when you ask it to me, I'm going to accept you what? You die first. Please survive. You know why? Then he said to me, we have RF3 development. That during that time, during COVID, RF3 was approached by government of Selangor, Malaysia, to take a contract to build Rumah Selangor, I mean House of Selangor. The project is 289 million during that time, but no contractor willing to take. Because during that time, all the bank freeze loan. All the bank freeze everything. Every contractor also cannot continue the project because don't have cash. But that took three. They cut the project. 289 million. The best thing, you know what now? We didn't finish on time. We didn't finish on time. But we finished before the time. Because of our good performance last year, the Selangor government approached RF3 again. So RF3 been over another 6 projects. Each project averaged 289 million. Now we have another 6 projects that I don't need only one project first because we do part. But you see, RF3 will not shortage of income or money. RF3 will do up bigger and bigger. You choose RF3, you choose the character point, you choose the correct company! Then he said to me, Jamil, that one only one. Okay, you see another one. Okay? You know what? We not only have company petroleum, but we have 4 ship tankers. Our own ship tanker, RF3 ship tanker, we have 4. And we also RF3 also have. You see, RF3 is very strong. RF3 going to become the number 1. RF3 to make sure that everybody else to become success. Yes. So RF3 is the best platform. Now we start our training. Are you ready or not? Are you ready or not? Ready! you all don't keep in heart, because a leader must be strong. Your heart must be big, even though your body is small like me. But your heart must become big. Is it okay?
Yes.
You ready or not?
Yes.
Don't upset with what I'm going to say. Please, I pray to God, please God, don't let them upset me today, God, please. Because whatever I'm going to say is going to hit you very, very strong. If you become leader, this is what you have to face. Because for me, I'm success. My successor, my mentor, teach me A to Z. You know, when I first started, he promised to start to see me 8 o'clock in KL. I in Penang. The route taking around 248 kilometers. At least. So driving around 3 to 4 hours. Okay. When I arrived over there at 8:15, he closed the door. We just made it. 15 minutes, he closed the door. He told me, come in. The first step to success, you fail already. So you are not entitled to become my follower, my student. Because what? Car accident, raining on the road, it's not my fault. But you know what? He said, if you want to be success, there is no reason. Reason only for a loser. If you want to be success, always must be yes and must always be right. Only a loser will give you reason. Why you come late? Because too hot. Why you come late? It's raining. You see, raining also late, hot also late. What you want? Correct? Yeah, typhoon also problem. Correct? What anything also problem. The cat want to deliver also problem. Don't want to deliver also problem. All sorts of excuses. This is my problem. My boss teach me one thing, no excuse. So I cried. Because yeah, I'm a regional human resource manager. Asia Pacific in the NBC packet band. Very high position. Want to see me have to see my PA first. When you treat me like
Ayos ka lang dyan, ma.
good enough. It's about good heart. It's about big heart. If everybody is here, we take everybody has our own family. Everybody can be.
May problema sa akin sa finances. Pero pagkabit sa po sa akin, yung chain ng poverty, kung mawala tayo, imagine 3.3 million per week. Excited po guys, 3.3 million per week.
Yes, sir.
Parang wala po tayo, yung harap tayo eh.
1 million lang sign ako na.
Tama, o baka ibang marketing plan yan, baka naman ibang, kaya Max 4. Ano po ko? Pareho ko ba? Yes. Sa nagkaiba?
Number.
Sa mindset, sa attitude, sa
Number 4.
Tinrabaho niya po at nakita niya ang tamang tao. May sabihin po sa Bible, search and you will find. Hinanap niya po yan. Nakikita ng Jerusalem sa left. Hinanap niya po yan. Nakikita ng Jerusalem sa right. Nag-pay rin. 52,000 daily.
Wow.
Okay po ba kung income ng 52,000 daily?
Yes.
Makakapit ka sa Starbucks.
Yeah, masarap.
Free lang po ba yun?
Yes.
Wala kang boss?
Yes.
Di ba? So, pinagkaiba po ng entrepreneur and job-minded, kaya na-change it, hindi nung Jamil. Kasi pag job-minded ka, ganitong negosyo, sponsor, kayo pamasahe. Di ba? Inaasa mo dun sa post mo. Hindi po kayo boss, hindi ako boss. Sponsor niyo din po boss. We are business partner. We are independent distributor. Sabi nyo nga po, independent distributor.
Independent distributor.
Doon mo kayo ng boss nyo, ano boss, yung sponsor nyo, thank you. Hindi man, it's your business. Okay po ba yan? Yes. So pag may job ka, may income ka, pero limited time. Wala kang mga empleyado. 40 years pag trabaho mo, wala. Paano po masipag, mabait. Sapat-sapat ng sisman, lubos na. Tama, anak. Masakit po katuwanan nyo. Gobyerno, inasa mo ang future mo sa akin. Okay? This kind of entrepreneurship will take charge of your life. Pero kasi mas matuwa yung practice po sa tayo. Okay po ba yun? Ang entrepreneur po sa ito.
May nag-inquire sa akin, hindi pa nag-go.
Magtatrabaho ka ng walang
Sa
security.
Iloilo mo.
Pumasok ka
Sa
wala kang
Quezon,
kita.
Prado.
Kakausapin mo, inindihan ka. Inaasama mo, dadaya mo,
Sa Riyaya
hindi kaya
siya.
mo. Marami mo kang quit.
Nag-inquire niya.
Kasi po ganito ang mindset. Job-minded. Kasama sa challenges na lahat ng kakausapin mo, hindi lahat o
Yung mga
ang
Tuesday.
mga job-minded po, madaling mag-quit yan. Kasi dapat security, comfort po. Ito po ang comfort po, yung sa comfort zone. Challenging pero very rewarding. Kung kaya ng puso mo yung challenges, you're not going to achieve.
Okay na. Hindi mo napapansin, hindi mo lang kasi
Kailan ka lang yun?
pinapatay na ba yung mga manok? Napatay na ka? Ano ka mga nakatay? Eh, mga 5 o'clock,
Inikot.
I know right now, exciting, pero mas exciting yun.
Joy, dito pa. Para marinig.
Exciting ba? Yes! sound more excited?
Mambasok lang ako.
Hindi ba tayo nag-gulo? Excited ba ito? Ano ba mas excited?
Sige lang na.
Excited. Pag speaker ka lang, tsaka pag may proven record ka, you can play your own vocabulary mo. So, pag excited ako, nag-iisip ako ng words, mas excited. Kaya I use the word excited. Pag excited ka,
Excited.
iba yung pwede natin mangyari. Now, you guys want another promotion?
Yes!
Sino gusto pumunta ng Malaysia? Sino yung mga nagaling ng Malaysia?
Sana all.
Sino pa ba bumalik ng Malaysia? Ay, Gina. Ibibigay ko naman, kailangan mo natin ibigay sa iba? Lahat na pumunta ng Malaysia kayo? Yung nasa Malaysia kayo? Yan! Kahit anong gusto, ako pagkakita ko kahit manager ka, may attitude ka, hindi principal officer. Kasi hindi ba siya? Naging executive lang, kumakas ka. Hindi na isang pinalo mo nito. Kumakalakad na bagay. Kumukan niyo.
Nakaganon eh.
Lahat mo you guys ang proud for your feet, pero alam niyo, tao lang lagay sa posisyon ninyo. Tao din ang pwede magpabagsak sa inyo. So let's focus na help one another. Kasi when you're creating success to other, that's the time you can always create success. Hindi mga success sa mga team. So, dito sa office natin, happy lang. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Then if you have any questions, suggestions, any violent reactions, yung office ko po, welcome naman yan. Any suggestions, you can always send. Okay lang po ba yun?
Yes.
Pag may concern, let me know. Pag excited, share sa mga tao.
Yes.
Palakpakan natin our first natin magbago. Dito po, each one of us need to change. Sabi nga po natin, change.
Change.
Kasi pag hindi po nagbago, muna po yung from negative to
Positive.
from job-minded to entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Okay, just gusing lang nakapagkain na. Kasi mahirap po ilipat eh, from job-minded to entrepreneur. Mahirap po. Pero hindi ito mga job-minded, wala pong masama. Kasi ang job po is secure ka, secure, di ba? Tama, sabi namin Imam May, pareho na kinikita ang tamad at masipag. Di ba? Pag may trabaho ka, ano inabangan mo? Oras. Ating sa oras. Pagpapasok ang bagal, paano yung CR, paano yung petics. Pag-uwi na, bilis sa oras. Di ba? Pero pag entrepreneur ka, at secure ang